You need nutrition. Naturally, you need nutrition, and spiritually, you need nutrition. I constantly hear Christians say things like, oh, I moved on because I didn't feel like I was being fed there. But can we be honest? Real talk. Okay, if you only ate once a week on Sundays, or as my pastor says sometimes, apparently the average attendance for church is once a month, you would be starved. Real nutrition comes from your habits at home. How you cook your meals and the nutrition that you build into your diet on a regular basis at home. Multiple times every day you are eating, whether it's lunch, breakfast, dinner, snacks, you are eating. And that is actually what feeds you. It should be the same way spiritually. What you do with your habits at home is what is actually going to bring you spiritual nutrition. But here's the thing. I happen to know from my own experience, it's really hard to have good nutrition habits. At least in the natural, it's pretty much the same with spiritual. See, I do okay here and there with my daily nutrition for at home for my natural needs, but the problem is I don't like to go to the grocery store all the time, and I don't like to have to go through all the aisles and find all the ingredients and then do the meal, do the planning, do the cooking. If the recipe has more than 5 steps, I'm just not gonna do it. Sometimes we're like that spiritually as well. The fact that we need to go one place for a worship song and another place for scripture and a third place if we want to have somebody tell us a little bit about that scripture in case we didn't really catch on to it. If we want to have encouragement, we have to go multiple places, or we have to scroll, or we have to do all the things, right? But you know what they have in the natural now? They have meal subscription services where you don't have to go grocery shopping at all. They just bring it to you in a box, ready to go. That's kind of what Joy in Waves is. It's your meal subscription service, but for your spiritual nutrition. We want you to join us every single morning and every single evening to make sure that you have a habit, a rhythm in your relationship with Christ that brings you the bread of life and brings you the living water and gives you the nutrients and the strength that you need. Because what is joy? The joy of the Lord is your strength. It's your nutrition. So subscribe to the link below and join us first thing starting tomorrow morning.